The Shepherd and the King. Once upon a time, in a village, there was a simple and honest shepherd grazing his goats. Suddenly, the king came hunting with his soldiers. Due to the intense heat, the king became thirsty and approached the shepherd to ask for water. The shepherd immediately offered water from his waterskin and politely said, "This is plain water, please accept it." The king drank the water and admired the shepherd's simplicity, sincerity, and hospitality. He said, "Your manners are no less than those of a king." Later, the king rewarded and honored the shepherd. Moral: truthfulness and good manners alone elevate a person to a high status.